What does an accident on your plant floor or 1 minute of downtime cost you? The price is steep. Analog radios with voice-only capabilities don't go far enough to increase uptime, productivity, and safety. But manufacturers can counter that by pushing voice and data to push performance and profitability. Digital migration is also arming manufacturers with real-time information for just-in-time decision-making, and it can be easily achieved in phases with existing infrastructure. Communications have advanced, and manufacturers are following by protecting frontline workers with man-down and lone worker alerts, and ensuring nothing is lost in translation on production lines with crystal-clear audio. Even recharging two-way radio batteries between shifts has been reduced, keeping workers ready to roll without interruption. And IT can handle software updates, patches, and security upgrades with ease. Truly connected factories communicate without boundaries and know where everyone and everything is every second. Keeping track of fleets, equipment, and people via GPS location mapping. From plant floors to the back office, delivery docks, and beyond, keeping track keeps profits on track by confirming whereabouts while monitoring progress. Employees carrying multiple devices is costly and inefficient. Unifying communications across all networks and devices is the way to go. Added intelligence provided by purpose-built apps is the new plant floor game changer, starting with a complete work order ticket management system. Dispatching the right people instantly isn't wishful thinking, it's a smart reality. So is receiving status alerts and machine alarm messages on radios and controlling equipment remotely. The capability to intercept and fix on the fly is at your fingertips. Communicating from anywhere, anytime means getting anyone's attention immediately, so you can put safety first, customers first, performance first. That's the power of now. Only from Motorola Solutions Team Communications.